Good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning. Happy Monday. So everybody excited about Monday? Everybody's favorite day of the week, right? Back to work. It's just another day for me, I suppose. No different than a Friday or Saturday. Anywho, I got up this morning, poked my head out to see if they were here yet. There was a bunch of trucks and doors and everything else, so it was about 7:10 when I woke up. Went in, they immediately gave me a door number. Came around here to the opposite side of the building, backed in. Blindside situation. Took me a minute, but we're in here. It's not near as bad as that one that I blindsided to the other day, but set up a lot different. Anyway, took me a minute, but nothing to it. There's actually no truck or trailer on either side of me. A guy just pulled in here. I think he was supposed to I'm in door 12. I think he was supposed to go in door 11 right next to me, and he looked at it and he drove off. He probably went back around the other side, asked for a different door number or something. But it is a little before 8 o'clock, 8 before 8, and I just felt them. I think they just opened the door to the actual building. My doors are open. So hopefully that means they're gonna get me unloaded pretty quick, and I can what is this guy doing? Well, they get me unloaded pretty quick, and I can get on down the road, go pick something up. It's nice when you can get unloaded early in the morning. That means hopefully you can get something loaded and get on the road. And so some days I've gone to pick up and it's at the end of my hours, and at the end of the day, by the time I pick up, I got no time, very little time, if any. So feeling good, hoping for something Texas bound. Today's Monday. I'd like to be home in 2 or 3 days. It'd be nice. Say Wednesday, Thursday. Be real nice. Real nice. I doubt Wednesday. Yesterday when I was washing the window, not very well I might add, I jacked up the windshield wiper. I gotta mess with that. Do a post-trip inspection shortly before I drive. So at that time I will be fixing my windshield wiper. Wish I had some coffee. A coffee maker will definitely be going into the truck for the next trip. Just uploaded number 23 to YouTube, so be sure and check that out. Well, you've already checked that out, hopefully. Never mind. Here's this guy, he's back for more. He doesn't know what to do. He's gonna get himself all kinds of jammed up over here. Oh my, he really doesn't know what he's gonna do. I'm gonna help this guy out. It's gonna be a nice Gonna be a nice, helpful driver this morning. So I got out here and hey everybody, I got out here and I helped this guy. He's still backing in, but he's got it now. Went over there and I helped him, and you know, blindsiding is just so hard because you just cannot see, you know. It's just such an uncomfortable thing to do. I went out there. I said, "Hey, which door?" He told me. So I said, "I'll watch for you." He said, "Okay." He started back, and I told him a couple of things, but for the most part, he was good. It's just so uncomfortable, you know. It's just nice to have someone watching for you, you know. Hey, what's up, everybody? Sitting here, still at the receiver here. I just parked, waiting for dispatch. I just got my dispatch. We're gonna go. We're gonna deadhead 300 miles to Iowa, and we're gonna pick up a meat load going to Houston, H-Town, baby, going home. So my load has to be ready by, they have what they call a DLD, which is a deadline departure, which basically means that's when they have to have the load ready for me to make on-time delivery. That's at 10 a.m. in the morning. It could be ready when I get there. I'll probably be there, I think I just put on there 1600. Be there about 4 in the afternoon. That gives me time to get the trailer washed out, drive 300 miles, do all that. I get over there, I'll probably drop this trailer and then pick up a loaded trailer. They probably have, well, they may or may not have parking on site, but basically we try to get there and see, for maybe get a break in, and then from there it's like 1,000 miles or so to Houston, 964 miles or something. 900. So we got 318 deadhead, 952 loaded miles to Houston. It'll deliver Thursday. What's up, everybody? We are in Des Moines, Iowa. So I cruised over and got loaded. My load was ready when I had just gotten loaded when I got there, which was kind of a nice surprise. So I scooped it up, drove a little over an hour to Des Moines, scaled my load, and parked, and so we're going to shut it down. Which means I can roll out at 5 in the morning. So I'm going to roll out at 5 a.m. I get about 4, get fuel, all that, roll out of here about 5 a.m. Gonna get as far as possible tomorrow. Gonna push it hard and see how far we can get. So yeah, gonna edit some videos, upload some videos, and call it a night. I'm tired. I don't know why I'm tired. I think I slept too much last night or something. I didn't sleep well. I don't know why I'm so tired though. I feel tired. So I'm gonna crash out, and like I said, get up about 4 a.m. Talk to you guys later. Bye.